Welding FAQs, Part 1 of 4, with a pair of commonly asked questions. How do you get the golden coloring in your welds? This is a matter of technique and practice. The biggest secret is, be cool and go slow. Most fabricators are in a hurry and tend to use too high of an amp setting so they can weld fast. This results in too much heat in the weld, resulting in flat, dark-colored welds. Now don't get me wrong, it is much more complicated than this. You need to have a proper purge gas flow and use the proper filler rod, prepare your joints properly, and so forth. But even if all the rest is correct, working too fast will bite you in the butt. Another popular question is, what size filler rod should I use? For welding 18 gauge, 16 gauge, and even SCH-10 stainless steel, we recommend a 3/100ths of an inch diameter rod of the appropriate base metal. We recommend 308 rod for welding 304 to 304, as well as 304 to 321. We recommend 347 rod when welding 321 to 321, and when welding mild steel to 304. A special 309 rod for dissimilar metals is recommended. We have found that 347 rod can be used for most 300 series stainless steel welding applications. If you have a question you would like to add, please send it to vince@burnstainless.com.